Good morning, class. It is Monday, May 4th. Yeah. Hope y'all had a good weekend. Today we're going to be learning about minor characters from The Hate U Give. Um, Notice that I have a lot of quotes from the movie The Hate U Give. Like, for example, what's the point of having a voice when you're going to be silent, when you shouldn't be? Angie Thomas, great author. Can't wait for her next book to come out. Anyway, moving on. Teaching point. While reading, we think about what information new/minor characters might be revealing about other characters, conflicts, and themes. Our quote of the day: sometimes you can do everything right and things will still go wrong. The key is to never stop doing right. Bam! Let's go. Questions to ask when looking closely at minor characters. What does the author reveal about this minor character? What does this character reveal about other characters? What does this character reveal about conflicts and themes? Here is Star and her friends, and this is our character for the day. Yeah, let's get to it. Haley. Beautiful, sweet, angelic Haley. We all love her, don't we? Um, what does the author reveal about this minor character? The author reveals that Haley doesn't have an open mind like Star's other friends, and she only believes in her own mindset. After the death of Khalil at the hands of Officer 115, Haley began to show her true colors and show how she believes that Khalil got what he deserved. Also, she began to crack racist jokes, such as the fried chicken joke. By using Haley, Angie Thomas begins to show readers how any event, tragic or joyous, can lead to people to show their true colors. Here's the quote that we can use from the movie in the scene where Star and Haley get into it once again at the school, and she says, "Yeah, your friend wasn't. He was a drug dealer. Someone was probably going to kill him eventually." The disrespect, right? I know. Haley. What does this character reveal about other characters? Haley reveals that you have to pick who your friends are. With Haley showing her true colors, Star got to see for herself the people that she can trust and keep as friends. The other people around her also showed who's on her side and will stick with her through thick and thin. When Star's in the car with Chris trying to explain to him like what's going on in her life, he says, "Black, white, nobody cares. We're all the same." And then he says, "I don't see color. I see people for who they are the exact same way I see you." She said, "If you don't see my blackness, you don't see me." And he said, "I see you," which shows how he does genuinely care about her besides being her boyfriend, and he knows that this is the type of stuff that's important to her. Moving on. Haley. What does this character reveal about conflicts and themes? The themes that Haley reveals are: 1. You don't have to be someone you're not. Between both the book and the movie, Haley is shown to be a very controlling character. But once her and Star weren't friends anymore, it seemed like Star was set free in some sort of way. The second theme Haley shows is that sometimes people aren't who they say they are. Up until Khalil's death, Haley seemed like a good friend. They were friends for a while, and she even knew Khalil. So for her to turn on Star, her friends, and family by saying that Khalil got what he deserved showed that she wasn't a true friend, and she didn't deserve to have Star as a friend. In conclusion, here are all of Star's trusted people, adults, friends, all the people that she trusts in her life currently. The end. Hope y'all have a nice day. I hope y'all enjoyed the lesson. Peace out. Yeah.